First, we are going to add 4 eggs into this bowl. Now that I have my 4 eggs in this bowl, I am going to beat them all together. At this point, you can add either 1 tablespoon of water or milk. In this instance, I'm going to use water. In this bowl, I have 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, basil leaves, oregano leaves, thyme, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add this in. And beat it again. Add oil to your pot. Tilt the pot in all directions so that the oil spreads. Turn the knob to a medium low heat setting. Slowly pour the eggs into your pot. As the eggs begin to cook, pull the edges to the center of the pot. Repeat this process. When the eggs have this appearance, they are done. Garnish with fresh